If you'd like to see how I'm going to completely transform this Minnie Mouse tumbler cup and add these lovely rhinestone and pearl embellishments, keep watching this video.
Hey YouTube! So today in this video, I am going to be embellishing this little Minnie Mouse ear and bow tumbler cup. This cup is like really cute. It is a double-walled cup. It is BPA free, but I just thought this was like just so cute. I love the bow on it. So this is going to be for my daughter. Alright, so I am going to be using a mix that was created by my daughter. And I think she calls this rainbow unicorn or something like that. So this is what she wants to have on her cup. And I'm just going to do like a little scatter. Everything is going to be scattered in no particular order, just all over. So I do have some large gold metallic pearls. I have some green pearls, some pink pearls. I have some jelly rhinestones, some clear rhinestones. So I have quite a bit going on here. And this is my large 6-ounce mixed jar. So I'll have a link to that as well. And I will be using my little wax pickup pen here to pick up my rhinestones and pearls. And today I'll be using liquid fusion glue. This is what I like to use when I add embellishments. This is about $11 on Amazon. I have some sandpaper. You can get about 24 sheets of this in the pack for $1 from Dollar Tree. So I thought that was pretty good. And the reason why I'm going to use this is because I've been researching like Tumbler videos, and I noticed they kind of scuff up the surface on plastic. So I'm just going to scrape this all up real good just to make sure that the glue extra adheres to the cup. I've never had an issue with it on glass coming off of the wine glasses, but plastic is different. So I just want the best results, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you see that? It's looking all ashy and messed up already. Okay, so now I'm gonna wipe that off. I'm thinking I'm still gonna use an alcohol pad and wipe that off. I just don't want too much dust in the way. And it still has a nice scratchy surface. I just wanted to wipe some of that off. But as you can see, it's very scratchy and ashy looking. So probably the scratchier and ashier the better. I'm just gonna pour some of my mix into a little old Similac lid I had from years ago. Alright, so you just want to go ahead and take your glue. And just add a little bit. It doesn't take a lot of this glue, especially when you're using it on rhinestones. But when you are using it on the much larger size pearls, then that's when you do want to add just a little bit more to make sure the pearl is adhered properly to your cup or whatever it is that you're using. Grab whatever I can. Up so far. So I'm just going to keep grabbing and going until I'm finished. Guys, just keep watching how I just go ahead and apply this onto the cup. And you can do section by section. You can go around in a circle. It's completely up to you how you want to do it. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do it yet. I'm just going to start at the bottom. Then from there, I may do clusters. But go ahead and just keep watching. Okay, so this is how far I am now. As you can see, it's coming together. With these type of things, you have to trust the process. But I did go ahead and scatter on more pearls. It works better that way for me. And then I'm just gonna go in different clusters. And I haven't been using the precision tip. I've been using the bigger bottle because I've just been needing more to come out. I just need more to come out right now. So I'm just kind of going section by section. So I'll start some right over here.
Okay, so the main thing here is to just keep adding everything that you're going to put on to your cup. You have to have some patience because this is time consuming, but you just keep on picking it up, putting it down, stick and move. And then make sure everything is nice and tight. That's the main key here. And again, like I said, I'm not using the precision tip now. That'll work better later in this video. I'm going to be adding a name. The precision tip has like a little bit of glue that comes out in a specified area, wherever you put it, and it's perfect for that. But for this, you probably will need a little bit more glue. So you can see I'm almost finished, and then I'll go over it later just to fill in any other little small areas where I can add more stones. But it's coming together very, very nicely. And I would let this cure at least 5 days, at least.
Okay, so the cup is finished. I'll show you at the end of the video. And it's optional. You could just stop there with the cup. You could stop there. But what I'm going to do, I went ahead and I cut out my daughter's name. And this is Silver Chrome Metallic. I'm going to add her name here and go over it with a few stones. I was going to add some rhinestones here, but honestly I'm just ready to be finished so I can move on to my next project. But I am going to add a little bit of embellishment here. So I'm going to add on some of my transfer tape. I cut out a small piece of transfer tape. So I can just go ahead and go over her name with it. Get you an old gift card or a scraper, whatever you have. Firmly apply the pressure. Okay, I have a 70% alcohol pad, and I'm just gonna go over the top. Just gonna go over this area, and then this back area, that's where the straw goes. And then I'm gonna let all this cure before it gets washed or anything. I'm gonna let this cure for probably about 3 or 4 days before it even gets used, just to be on the safe side. Dry that off right there. And what I'm going to do, I will start offering a name vinyl. A lot of people inquire about how I cut the name. I have a silhouette cameo cutter, and I understand that everyone isn't willing to buy one of those. So it's a couple $100. Maybe you could find one used online. I had mine for a while. There's multiple uses you can use it with. So I'll have, eventually I'll have a link available so you can order your name. And this is about one and a half inches tall and about almost 3 inches wide. So I'm hoping this isn't too big. Go ahead and peel it off. Sometimes metallic can give you a little issue. Well, I know it does with me. It's not that bendable like the regular vinyl. It's like, it's a thicker material. Okay, so you want to be very careful with that. Line it up and eyeball it and just line it up really good. Because if it's crooked, you're gonna have to do it over again. And then I have a little trick. Sometimes I have to get it to like really lay good, I cut slits in it. Because sometimes it just won't act right. You just have to cut slits in it so it can have more give. Okay, so hopefully that. So I just have to cut the slits so I can kind of get it to like lay better. Because this is a curved, because think about it, this is not a flat surface. It's more so like a curve, like a dome shape. So it can be kind of challenging. Okay, so I think that may be it. If not, I'll just do it over. So let's see what we have here. And when I do the name or whatever decals I sell, I'm going to have two, like one for like a oops if you make mistakes. So sometimes you make mistakes. So there'll be two. So you can either do two projects with it, or if you make a mistake, you'll have another one to back you up. So hopefully this laid out right, because like I said, it's like a curved, like you can see it's like curved. So those type of surfaces can be a little tricky. All right, so let's see if this needs some additional smoothing. Go ahead and pull that off. So far it's looking good. Let's see here. Okay, so far we looking good over here. All right, here we go. Oh, this is looking nice. Okay, cool. So this is nice. And if you don't want to go the extra step and go over this with some rhinestones, you don't have to. Because look, it's cute already. You can leave it just like that and keep it moving. But you know, I just want to be a little extra, so I'm gonna go over this with a SS12 glass. I want to use glass for this area. Yeah, so I'm gonna use glass. This is a little level up from the resin rhinestones I have in here and the jellies. I really love these glass rhinestones. I'll have a link for those also. But I am gonna add a little something on this bow. Since I'm not doing anything else, I'm gonna put a little something on the bow.
Again, this part is completely optional, but I just think it was just necessary. I love it, the way it's coming out. And this is really simple, you guys. Just find the right size and you're basically just tracing it. It's gonna come out so cute. Okay, you guys, here is the final result of the tumbler cup that I did for my 6-year-old daughter, Royal. Oh my gosh, this is so cute, and she loves it. She is such a girly girl. I'm a girly girl, so this is like right up her alley, my alley. I'm gonna make me one too. It's gonna be different than this, but I'm really excited about this. I like the pearls. I like the jelly rhinestones I use. There's a few resin, regular rhinestones in there as well. She likes the pastel colors, so she picked all those out herself. I will have more mixes available, a link for those. But this is like super cute. It took a few hours, so you have to have patience. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Share it on Facebook if you think someone else would like to see this video. Subscribe if you want to. If not, thanks for stopping by. I hope you did receive some type of inspiration to possibly do something like this for yourself, your daughter, a friend, a birthday gift, or whatever you decide. Be sure to check out some of my other DIY videos. I have embellishing some liquor and wine bottles, wine glasses, shoes, and just other different type of DIYs. There'll be some videos, maybe some playlists in the end of this video. Go ahead and click those, check those out if you'd like to. And here is the mixed 6-ounce jar that I use in this next clip. And I still have quite a bit of this left. So I think this would be great. Consider that. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.